segment as we continue on with the chicken soup preparation. The next thing we're going to do is get our vegetables ready to go in. There's the carrots. I've got 3 already peeled. I'll just continue on peeling with this one. We'll peel them first, and then we'll cut them into smaller pieces to put in. As I said, they go in after the chicken. Get these going. There we go. Just cut the ends off. Right in there. I usually cut them into pieces about 2.5 inches or so, and then everybody else can just cut them into the sizes they like once they get them into their bowl. So that's that ready to go. Usually about 3 pieces of celery ought to do. I like to give it a wash first. You'll notice I kept the leaves on. And that's because it adds extra flavor to the soup. I don't necessarily eat the leaves, but it really does add to the flavor of the soup. Get those going. There again, same size pieces. If you keep everything rather uniform, they kind of cook all at the same pace. And there's this whole big onion. We're not going to use this whole onion. We'll probably just use a half. Going. We'll use the other half of the onion with the other chicken that I spoke about that has the skin on, because we're going to make baked chicken with roast potatoes after. So we get to use everything. Just take the first layer of skin off. Come on. There we go. Don't want to cut them up in too small pieces. Now in the meantime, while we've had the vegetables getting ready, I've also got a pot on for the noodles so that they can start cooking. We can always make those and set them aside. Just going to check on the soup, see how it's doing, whether or not it needs to be skimmed at all yet.